go. Okay, this right here is the intermandibular, and below it is the interhyoid, so intermandibular, interhyoid, and their function together is to elevate the floor of the throat. If you flip up the interhyoid, you see the branchiohyoid right there, along with the geniohyoid, which is this long part right here, and their function is to control the hyoid and the branchial arches during feeding and breathing. This section right here should be the procoracohumeralis, and then somewhere next to it would be the omarcule, and their function together is to draw the forelimb anteriorly. That one is definitely the procoracohumeralis right here. The pectoralis, which are this piece right here, pectoralis, and then the supracoideus right up here. And these adduct the forelimb.
What is the name of the